So I'm doing Hanami. The weather is obviously not awesome, and something really sad happened this morning, but the sakura are blooming and it's not directly raining right now. So, you know, aren't these the times when you most need your friends and nature? So we're doing it. Hello everybody and welcome to Tokyo Trash. Now for the uninitiated, Hanami is having a picnic under and for the purpose of viewing sakura flowers. It's one of those big huge things in Japan and also a totally legit reason to start drinking at 12 in the morning. 12's not in the morning? Okay.
Yay, kanpai!
At first it was just my friend Kana and I, and we kind of prioritized staying dry over actually sitting under sakura flowers. So we sat under a different tree, but we could just still see the sakura. And then Nanook showed up and brought the party. She was in contact with some people who were staying right in Sakura Central. Great spot. Hanami is obviously not for people who deal poorly with crowds. You might argue that Tokyo is not for people who deal poorly with crowds, unfortunately. This is what it looks like, and this is not even the most crowded places I've seen. This is Yoyogi Park, and as you can see, the weather is not as good as it can be. If you go to, for example, Ueno, and especially if it's a good day with great weather, it's gonna be even more crowded. You might have to get there at like 5 in the morning to even get a spot. And I'm not exaggerating. I really wanted to make some food with sakura in it for the Hanami, but it turned out finding ingredients were a lot harder than I thought. I did find some at the Hanami though. I actually came completely unprepared to this Hanami, even though I was the one who started inviting people, because like I said, we weren't sure if it was gonna happen or not, but I did buy some sakura food at the convenience store. Not a lot. That actually ended up just being one thing, which was good because when we got to this point I was already so full.
Okay.
Okay.
This is sakura hanayaku mochito pancake. Mochito pancake. With sakura an. Sakuraってsakura anか。
白あん。色のない真っ白なあん。ホワイト。
それは桜のあれですよね。
多分桜の味するか白あんって。桜漬けのあれが塩漬けとか入ってるんじゃないの？
本当に味あるね。
ある？
いや。
見せて。断面。
It actually has a taste. My idea is always that sakura doesn't have a taste, but it actually has a taste. It's really good. It's kind of like roasty. Or marzipan.
It was surprisingly good. I did honestly not expect it to have any taste at all from my experience with sakura food. It's kind of bullshit usually, but this one was really good.
Where are you going? It's a video. Oh, that was a very attractive laugh. I'm happy about it. Yes, it's my new thing. Oh, you're picking him up. Good. 何？
浴衣、うち3枚。
何すんの？待って。いつ撮るの？今？
どこ？横。
Video. 1, 2, 3.
When is it time to go home from Hanami? If the weather is good, you can stay all night, and the weather only got better this night. In the end, I'm really glad that I did go, even though the circumstances for me were not awesome on that day. Like I had hoped, it did make me feel a lot better. Yeah, that's really it for this week's video. We might do another Hanami actually, if the sakura holds up, but the way it looks at the moment, I don't know. Stay tuned until after the credits to see exactly what I mean. Bye for now.
Show me something truly nasty. Something evil. Something diabolical. Something that will rid me of those nefarious mice.
So this is what it looks like the next day. Yeah, that's what sakura looks like when it's falling.